Hi guys, we're going to be doing some HTML tables today, and what I'm going to do is not go back to grade 11 stuff. Mr. Radman has posted tutorials of all the grade 11, all the elements that you had to use, and creating web pages, etc., using HTML, using Notepad. He's done all of that, so you can please go back and review that. I'm going straight into tables. It's the last thing we have to do in HTML, is how to create a table in a web page. Pardon me. The most important thing to remember is that a table is also like you've got an open body, closed body, you've got open HTML, closed HTML, and it's got elements and attributes. Tables have got exactly the same. So it's nothing new to you. It's just new terminology, new elements that you haven't worked with before. So if I could explain to you very quickly, this video, all I'm going to do is explain and just go through this very quickly with you. And then I'll do another video I'll post a day or two later to show you how you actually start making this table look like this, look fancy. This table has got a heading. It's got header, for sale and number of stands. That is the table heading. Then it's got data, and the data is in the rows. Curios 2, ice cream 3, pancakes 2 stands, clothes 1 stand. Now that's what you need to understand. There are 3 important things to remember. Actually, let's go for 4. You have 4 elements that you have to worry about in a table right now. 4 elements in entirety. This is what I want you to get across to you. The table element, the table tag, right? Open table. If you say open table, so open your table tag, you're going to get your table. Like you open body and you do stuff in the body, all right? This is open the table tag. So that's the table. So that's the first tag you need to know. The second tag is table heading or header, which is TH. TH. That is the table heading. For sale, number of stands. It's the very first row of the table. It's not a table row. It's not table data. We call it table header, TH, table header. Whatever we put in the table header will appear at the very top of each column. Then we have, so we've done table, T-A-B-L-E. Then we've done table header, which is TH, is the element. Now we're doing a table row. We can't put data in a table if there isn't a row. So once again, we start with the table element, then we have the table header element, then we have the table row, which is all of these here, the rows, and then we have the data that is inside, which is these. Now you'll see from this one that it's got borders around it, and so the stuff is centered, and the spacing is different, and blah, blah, blah. I'm not doing that in this video. All I want you to practice and practice and practice and get to understand is the 4 elements that you're working with, the 4 tags. Number 1, table tag. Open the table tag. Can't have anything if you don't have a table. Number 2, put a header for your table. Table header, for sale, number of stands. There's the header. Number 3, you want to type some data now, but if you haven't got a row, you can't type the data. So it's table, then table header, then table row, blah, 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 then the table data. And once again, you open table header, you do your thing like type for sale, and then you close table header. And then you go and open a row, and you open table data, and you type some stuff, and you close table data, and you close the row. And so you go on, and I'm going to show you that in action now. All right, so if I could explain to you what I'm going to do, I'm going to first show you in theory, and then I'm going to go and do it. So the first thing I would have done is open the table element, which is, now that's why I'm seeing a table. Number 2, I would have opened table header, I would have typed the word for sale, and I would have closed the table header. Then I would have gone underneath that, and I would have said, right, open another table header for number of stands, type the number of stands, the text there, and close the table header. Now I'm ready to open my first row. Open a table row, open table data, type curios, close table data. You know where I'm going now. Okay, open table data, type 2, close table data. Now what must I do before I move on? I opened a row, therefore I must close a row. So open a row, open table data, type, close table data. Open table data, type, close table data. New row, right, new row. Open table data in the new row, ice cream, close table data. Open a new table data, type a 3, close table data. And then we close the table row. And so we go on and on. I'm just going to give you a very, 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 very quick example of that. So I've got it up here. There we've got The paragraph. So what did I say we open first? I've done HTML, I've done a heading, I've done the title, I've opened the body, I've done a paragraph for you. I don't know what I've done there. Never mind. I can't spell, so not there. There. Entrepreneurs. Never mind what I'm doing here. Let's go underneath here. I was in the wrong place. So we're now going to go, and I'm spacing a way that you can actually see what I'm doing. Seriously. I'm not going to cancel this video. Yeah, I've made a few mistakes along the way, but that's fine. Open table. Open table. Let's try that again. I've now opened my table. Now we're not going to do any attributes to the table. We're just opening a table. Underneath that, I'm going to open. Okay, there's my table. I'm going to open what? What is the very first thing? A table header. And that table heading was for sale. For sale. Close the table heading. I'm going to go back to the other one and show you. Close the table heading. Next one. The next table heading was number of stands. Number of stands. And I close the table heading. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like there. Go back. So what I've done here is there. If I go here, there it is. For sale, number of stands. For sale, number of stands. Okay. Table header. I've opened the table and I've opened the table header. Now we're going to start going. We're going to put 4 rows in and 8 sets of data. Make sense? There you go. I'm not going to do all of them. I'm just going to show you one. So the first thing I'm going to do is open a table row. Open my table row and I'm going to say, right, underneath that, open table data. And what's my first data? It said curios. Close table data. Okay. Next one was, let's have a look. Curios, 2 stands. How many stands? So it would be open table data again. 2 stands and close table data. And what did I do now? Close the table row. I'm going to do one more. Right. The second row was open a row. Open the data. There it is. What am I opening? I'm opening ice cream. Was it ice cream? I think so. Ice cream. Close table data. Next table data. How many stands does ice cream want? I think it was 3. Whoopsie, sorry. Table data. 3 stands. And close table data. Do not forget to close the row. Let me just go over that one more time with you very quickly. What did I do? I said, open a table, put the 2 table headings in. There we go. Don't make any mistakes. Open then, once you've done that, we've closed the table header. Open your first row. Curios is the table data. 2 is the number of stands. Right, close the table row. Open a table row. Open table data, ice cream, close table data. Open table data, 3, close table data, and close table row. I'm not closing the table yet because we're not finished. I just wanted to show you very quickly. That's what I did. Okay, look at that. Curios, ice creams, table data, table row. Whoopsie, went to the wrong place. And there we go. That is our table. We haven't done pancakes and clothes yet, but we've done everything else. I'm going to stop there. I want you to get a very good understanding. I want you to go and get in your head. I want you to understand table header, table row, table data. And they're always in that order. Okay, you can't put table data in if you don't have a row. And you can't put table rows in if you don't have a heading. Please, very, very, very important that you understand that. So go in and do that until you get it. And then what I'll do in my next video, I will show you how to build attributes. In other words, to say in your table, you know, when you do body BG color, yellow or whatever, you can do the same. Yeah, you can do table colors. You can do colors of cells and rows. We're going to do cell spacing, cell padding, and all sorts of attributes that we can make our table look better. We can align stuff in a table. But for now, before I even do that, before you even think about that next video, I'm not going to, I can't impress on you enough to make sure that you understand this. Table, table header, table row, table data. That's your homework. All those 4 elements, to understand them explicitly before you move on to the attributes to make it look fancy. Thanks, guys. Take care.